World Health Organization experts said there was no evidence to support an assertion by a high-profile Italian doctor that the coronavirus causing the COVID-19 pandemic has been losing potency. The health body's caution comes at a time several nations have started easing curbs imposed to check the spread of the coronavirus. Meanwhile, cases in India neared the 2 lakh mark on Tuesday, while 5,598 deaths have been reported. Over 95,000 patients have been discharged. According to newspaper reports, India's top drug regulatory body has approved the use of the antiviral medication Remdesivir for severe COVID-19 cases. Remdesivir, which is one of the most closely watched drugs in the global race to find a cure for coronavirus, has been approved by the ICMR for the treatment of suspected or laboratory-confirmed cases of COVID-19 in adults and children hospitalized with severe disease. Even as the government has initiated an unlocking exercise, a survey has found that more than a third of self-employed and small and medium businesses do not see any grounds for recovery and are on the verge of winding up. The survey by All India Manufacturers Association in partnership with 9 other industry bodies comprises 46,525 responses from MSMEs, self-employed corporate CEOs and employees. It was conducted online between May 24th and May 30th. Many rounds of military talks between Indian and Chinese commanders at the line of actual control have failed to break the stalemate, where soldiers of both sides had faced off following the forward movement of Chinese troops into Indian territory. While India has taken a firm ground posturing, talks via diplomatic channels are still underway between New Delhi and Beijing. United States President Donald Trump vowed a massive show of force to end violent protests over the death of George Floyd in police custody. Trump said this at the same time as when police fired tear gas and rubber bullets to disperse peaceful demonstrators near the White House on Monday. Meanwhile, an autopsy report found that African-American victim George Floyd's death was homicide due to neck compression, indicating that the white police officer's chokehold had killed him. The India Meteorological Department issued a red alert to coastal Maharashtra and Gujarat for June 4th in view of a cyclonic storm named Nisarga in the Arabian Sea. The system will bring strong winds and heavy to very heavy rainfall to coastal Maharashtra and Gujarat.